This is Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus 2018 model. This phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Galaxy A6 Plus launched May 2018. So at first talk about the build quality. This phone built with glass in the front, aluminium back and aluminium frame. So this phone feel not a cheap, it's feel premium. A6 Plus comes with 6-inch Super AMOLED display with resolution 1080 x 2220 pixel with 411 ppi density, and this phone also 75.3 skin to body ratio with always on display. A6 Plus launched with Android 8. Now 2021 is running Android 10 with One UI 2.0. And Galaxy A6 Plus using chipset Snapdragon 450 and CPU using octa-core 1.8 GHz and GPU Adreno 506, and this is 4GB RAM and 32GB ROM variant. So you can play any types of game in a medium and low graphics. I am playing Call of Duty. You can play Call of Duty medium graphics and high frame rate. My gaming experience is not bad. By the way, I am already testing Call of Duty in 2021 in my Galaxy A6 Plus. Video link in my video description and below. Go there and watch this video. So let's talk about the camera. A6 Plus comes with dual camera setup. First, 16 megapixel camera with 1.7 aperture and 5 megapixel depth camera with 1.9 aperture with LED flash. Main camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video. You can take a very good picture in a Galaxy A6 Plus in a daylight, and this phone also have a dedicated night mode, and you also take a also very good picture in a night mode. Galaxy A6 Plus comes with single 24 megapixel selfie camera with 1.9 aperture. A6 Plus powered by 3500 mAh battery. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Fingerprint scanner is speed pretty well, but face unlock is speed little slow. After 3 years, this phone is still pretty well. I am easily open and close any app. It's perform very well. So this phone is still worth it 2021. Yeah, this phone is still worth it 2021 because this phone have a Super AMOLED display and average level processor. You can play any types of game in a medium and low graphics. So this is all about Galaxy A6 Plus. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.